Yo, what's up, people? Welcome back to Dame. Welcome back to another live stream. So, today we are on our 49th day, and I'm getting old day by day. One more cough. Okay, that's aside. Let me put my glasses on. It seems weird for some reason. So, let's become sexy boy. Give it a good clean. Although I have a separate cloth for this, but what we need right now. So, welcome back to another stream, and today we are going to finish this damn box. We're not gonna try any other exploit. What we was doing. We will be going with that, which is an intended way, I believe. With that, there was another technique, or I was trying at least, using the PHP file upload vulnerability that I was mentioning yesterday. That didn't work for me, or maybe I am just too dumb to make it work. So what I'm gonna do is first we're gonna finish this box, and I'm going to get in there and highlight in the like box itself that this is what I wasn't able to perform, and we'll check that later if we can perform that, or maybe I'll check it behind the scenes, not in the live, or maybe some other time, because we still have a pretty damn good long time to perform all these things. So by that time, before everything gets wrapped up, so we will try to finish this up. So let's get started and jump to the box. And again, welcome back to the stream, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. If you're liking my content still, till now, or the journey, give a like and share with others if you're finding it, like, however you're feeling with it. If not, then do give a dislike also. So, you know, engagement is an engagement, like or dislike. So just share it. Okay, so here we go. We gonna finish this damn box. Okay, so yesterday we got the RCE over here, and there was a file that uh, wasn't a part of the usual box. So let's give a shot on that if that works or not. And we're gonna mention here in the we did run a lin piece over here, right? Okay, the output is too big from the lin piece. So there we found that the system contain the non-regular file, which starts with results. Okay, so we're gonna give the POC here, and first let's pull it up. We'll cat this file, and it's mrois linus. Okay, I think misinterpret the name, so we are here. Let's go put up confidential keys agents, what you're looking for is that weird looking result directory. I'm not sure if it's the result. I think it was reports. REPRT. I guess this is the one. As I can see over here. Reset. There we have this too. Executable profile files potentially added by a user. Let's go up a bit. And is there anything that we can exploit? Ready for intelligence? Continue. Okay, damn. Give me a sec. I think Siri has started for some reason. Okay, it's set. We are back. Let's see what I was looking for yesterday. We are going way too much up. Somewhere here. And there should be some files that I found weird yesterday too. You see, here's this cron job that I found weird. Let's try cat this. What this hold? Okay. Do we have the permission to write it? It seems we have the permission to perform the read action and execute, but we cannot edit it. So let's move. And no. Same file again. Nothing here. Polkit and other stuff. I think it's just deeper services. Okay. Or maybe that was the only place where I found that these are not regular files. And sorry guys, I'm doing this stream way too much late. I was busy with some work. Some home SSH config file was found. Which doesn't seem to be interesting. What else we have? Parent process capabilities. Bash completion data set, but these are for the root, so they're not gonna give any help. And if you can see, I'm way too much sleepy too. Let's see, lint piece, memory, name, sessions, and what? So far, these are the files that I found weird only, and nothing else I found weird that seems to be writable, or we can do something about that. Found these user edit file, which doesn't seems to be regular files. Seems to be regular files. Let's try and read them and see what they hold. First, let's try this. Okay, I think we have already checked this. For the file report hyphen reset dot sh, we don't have the write access, but we can do read and execute. Read and execute, we don't have the write access. Let's check the next one. ch rootkit. Okay. CLEAR. Damn. I'm not even pressing those words. I don't know how it is writing them, but whatever. You own the script. I own this script. Let me see. If I own this script. No. You own this script. This user bin get text.sh ls-la space paste enter. We do own this script. Let's try ch mode, or maybe yeah, we need this ch mode, and maybe 700 over this file. Damn. Now let's read that back. Do we have the right permissions? No. chmod. Plus read write execute. Enter. And if I'll do this now, there we go. But we do own this file, so and also we can also, as we own the file, let's try see the permissions. Let's try change the permissions. So for that we have performed chmod, read write, and whatever. Now this, I'm not sure if it is getting triggered by the root, but if I'll clear this out and start the netcat over here and do vi, or maybe instead of vi, nano, that works better. Paste, select, paste, enter. Instead of this, I should just paste this. Netcat, no, I think maybe this itself. Okay, let's go with this. Paste. Oh yeah, it's nano, so we will be pressing Control X. Y, enter. And this got saved. Next, we have to perform the cat on this. Now, let's update the file with the RCE payload and wait for the connection as it's run by cron job. But the problem is we are not sure when the cron job is going to trigger. So we will add it here. Now let's wait for the connection as it's run by cron job. Let's see if we can check the cron job. Was this file? And there is another one that says something, so we will cat it, paste, enter. And it seems to be pretty darn big file. Float and stuff. Does this contain any sort of username and password? Not sure though. So far, nothing. Semicolon. Some sort of hash, and that will do. Am I low on energy today? Maybe because I'm way too much exhausted. Damn, it's way too big file. There is this password 123, so we already have this pass, but it won't help for the root. SQLite database 1, SQLite database 2. PHP Lite admin. I guess I shouldn't have delete the database. Damn, this is way too big file. Let's clear the page. And hope it will clean. Yet it did. And let's cat this other file that we have got. Okay, we don't have permission to read this file. Permission denied. And it seems this is also not working. If I'll do it like this. Remove, yeah, are we going to do that? Permission denied. File exists. Okay, it exists because we have already done the RCE using that. So here we can cancel it if it'll accept that. So far, okay, it gave on cancel. One more. Okay, we are safe. Cleared this. I'm just not sure who is running the cron job here for this file. We're gonna need new tab, and over here we're gonna do cat this file. Where the hell is that file? Royce Piece, enter. And it contains somewhere that this is a pretty powerful file. Can we change the owner of this file? Let's try that. That will be a new weird shit to do. So let's try chown. And we're gonna make it root. Root space paste, enter. Changing ownership, permission, operation not permitted. Okay, so we cannot change the permissions. But this is another way we can try if something is working or not. Or we can escalate the privilege of the file we have uploaded by ourselves. But seems no, we cannot so far. And we cannot read this file. What is this actually? Let's see. What is this? It's a check rootkit is a widely used Unix utility designed to aid system administrator in examining their system for rootkits. Search for signs that the system is infected with a rootkit. Ch rootkit, it's by default in there. Can we use it to escalate the privilege? I don't think we can check the version of this rootkit, so just a wild stuff. Yeah, there is something. I want to check the cron job, right? It may be stuck because of the file that exists into the temp. So if I'll do rm-rf, it's pretty heavy. Delete. Go all the way forward /tmp /f, enter. Now we cannot remove operation not permitted. Let's see over here. Clear. Search exploit. we're looking for chk root. Okay, so we have this chk rootkit, this local privilege escalation, though we don't know the like what the actual, what do we say, damn, I'm forgetting the stuff. And it didn't work. So the next we checked for the chk rootkit, as this file is also added by the user, but we don't have the permission to read this file. So what we can do is we can check if there is any exploit available for this. As it seems to be some tool. And over here we have some good stuff. So what we have mentioned here, first let's check over the search exploit. If nothing there, then go to the Google. Okay, so we have something here. So we got something from the what search exploit, and that is this. Let's read this file and copy it into the working directory on local system. For that, we're gonna do is just copy this, and we're gonna perform the search exploit back -m and paste this number. There we go. And this has the two what we say, I'm forgetting the term. At least it has one CV and one is OSCP, whatever is it. So we're gonna put it here and let's cat this right away. Whatever 3 is it. There. It seems to be containing some script. Let's read that. and try to perform. Guys, if you're watching, I don't know who is watching, so don't go without liking the stream. Although today I'm a bit low, or maybe way too much low cause I'm exhausted. And I'll try to perform the stream tomorrow, and I'll be taking 2 days of leave because I'll be visiting somewhere. So at least I will try to complete the 50 days so far. Okay, so let's see what this has to say. So by the time you're sitting here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you're new, then subscribe and do like. You'll get more stuff in future. Today I'm just exhausted. Sorry for that. It says we just found a serious vulnerability in the chrootkit package, which may allow local attacker to gain root access to a box in certain configuration, which is /temp not mounted non-execute. Okay. The vulnerability is located in the function slapper in the shell script chrootkit. And how is this working? Slapper ABCD and the multi-platform variant. System Linux netstat-p. Result: the file temp update will execute as root. Does effectively rooting your box if malicious content is placed inside the file. If an attacker known you are periodically running the root chrootkit, likely in cron daily, and has written access to temp not mounted this, he may easily take advantage of this. Okay, so what it says is we just need to copy this, right? And says the line file port is equal to $I will execute all files specified in slapper file as the user rootkit is running user root. If this is empty because of missing quotation mark around the variable assignment, step to reproduce, put a executable file name update with known root owner in the temp. Okay, let's go with this. We'll go cd/temp. We're gonna do vi update, enter, and I believe it is gonna break the shell. I should have write it over the local and upload it there. Temp now mounted. What the hell should I do? I think it is not working. Okay, it is there. If I'll enter, okay, it opened the place. Now what does it says? Check rootkit as UID 0. Result temp file update will be executed as root, thus effectively rooting your box if malicious content is placed inside the file. Malicious content in the manner of this is gonna be, I guess, this. So if we'll copy this and exclamation hash bin bash, and it says no string. Okay, delete colon quit exclamation enter ls. Okay, nano. Oh, this is slow. Update enter. Now we're gonna put exclamation hash slash bin slash bash, press enter twice, paste this. Okay, right quit exclamation. Okay, it is no, not this. Control X, Y, enter, and our netcat listener is running below. So if it is run by cron job, we need to check that, and for that we're gonna do is cat. Okay, this pipe grep. What's the file name? chrootkit pipe enter. Okay, this don't have any cron job, but it does sit here, so I guess we just need to // or maybe not even // just paste this, enter. It says can't open, so I believe // not gonna cut. No such directory or file. Dot paste enter. cd/. Okay, before we go there, let's cat the update. The shell is very damn slow. It's not able to keep up with the typing speed. So we going down and paste it here. Remove unwanted space and clear up everything else. So now we know that this is where our shell resides. Now let's go to the directory where the what the hell is this? Chrootkit, where this resides, and we're gonna remove it, and the place is this. Let's run it there. So we will be going cd space / okay, enter, /chk root. No. chk root kit, and I'm pretty sure it is gonna say that we don't have the permission to run it. chk rootkit, press enter, and let's see what it do. I have pressed the enter twice or thrice. It says can't open. Let's see, ls-la. Okay, wait, too many files. Not cat. ls-la. chk root. Enter. Oh. ls hyphen damn ls hyphen la space pipe grep chk root. I think this will also do. Okay, so only the root has the permission to execute it. We have the access of the other file. Can we make it trigger this file? Let's try that. We have the permission to perform the action on this other file, which is this one. So if I'll do this same command here, press enter and go all the way down, clean everything else, and just paste this file path. Where the hell did it go? Yeah, this, copy, paste. Do we need some sort of function to make it run? I'm not able to recall it. How are we gonna do it? Not able to get that. Let's do this. Oh, we are in nano. X, Y, enter. Or maybe we are still missing something on our part. We have added the executable stuff in here. But what we are missing is must be ch mode plus x space x space slash tmp slash what's the file update enter. Now if I will try to run this, enter. It says no such file or directory. Oh, got it. nano space copy paste. Damn. Late enter. The IP address is wrong here. bash Go a bit forward. It's 16.3 x y, enter, and if I'll try run this, nah, who am I? Damn, who am I? Nope, we don't want this. We wanted to trigger it using the cron job. Or is it actually part of cron job? We need to check that. To check that, what was the command? I'm forgetting it. I'll forget small things. What is cron job path in Linux? Cron tab, cat, paste, enter. Permission denied. Cron tabs, enter. We cannot even check that. CRONTAB, enter. Cat, cron tab. Okay, let's see over here. Clear. This one, user bin cron tab. Okay, too much garbage. Oh, we have something up there. Ch on, ch mode. Okay, it is way too much. Enter. Cron group. But I don't see anything that is run by the cron job, at least for this file, which is mentioned over here. I'm not sure if it is broken or what. Let's try cat /tmp/ update update. enter. Okay, I think I got a new error that I made. Nano space copy paste, enter. The hash should come first and then the exclamation. Delete this. Exclamation X Y, enter. Okay, so we made error over here too, so this is how it's gonna fix. And this is the bash -I 1603. I'm not sure if it is a part of the cron job itself though. Clear ls cat this, enter. Whoa, it worked. It worked. Unexpected, but it worked. Boom. Cause I wasn't sure if it is a part of the cron job. I was just giving a shot over this. Cause it says usually root, but it says also it's mentioned that if someone identify that it is set as a cron job, it can like attempt the same action. Because of that, I made a blind shot and it actually worked. It has mentioned over here somewhere. Let me check. Line this, execute this, usually root, if this, empty because of quotation mark, and this. If, yeah, over here, if an attacker knows you are periodically running these chk rootkit, like in cron daily, as it's written here. So that's why I give it a shot, and coincidentally it worked. I ran it blindly because the exploit says or give a warning like this. So because of this, I thought it might be running here. So I gave a try and it worked. And we are root finally. Now let's get the flag and the /etc/shadow and finish this box. There we go. I am doing good, brother Lizard. How are you doing? Tell me that. I'm not seeing any people here. I'm just sitting alone. And I just request people to like. No one's like. So I'm just watching people come and go and solving the box at the side. That's it. Hmm. ls cat root dot txt, enter, and there we go. We got a root file. Sh paste, cut this. Damn. And in here we will provide it. Okay, we forgot to put the privilege escalation part somewhere here. Good, if you want to get into cybersecurity, but I would say try different fields within the cybersecurity, because red team is going to be pretty limited in the future unless you are exploring something like totally new, or you are in more of IoT, or like you're a good explorer over the other stuff. Else it is gonna be hell of a challenge. Where the hell should we put? Netcat listener. I think upload to check the risk. There we go. We have the lint piece already in action here. We can remove one hash. Yeah, that's the like I would say that's the only field that is a bit safer now and has more progression. Instead of your like choosing a specific certain field like web application penetration tester, like it is a good, but you have to top the bar then, because there are many people out there, those who are just particularly looking into the web application like a mad dog. They're like working really hard for that. But there are other part of the red team also that people should explore, but it is getting pretty limited there. Explore using the search exploit. And over here, bomb of update in chk rootkit. I am enjoying by creating these funny tags or header, whatever you say. Go here and there. Okay, we got this too, and the last thing remains is get the password, not a password, shadows. So we're gonna cat slash etc slash shadow, and there we go. We got all the users. Lovely. And we're gonna remove unwanted stuff from here. Remove this and this. There we go. Remove this space. And with this, our box is finished. Copy this. Would you say it's essential to learn a programming language? If so, what language would you recommend to someone who is new? My my recommendation would be to go for the C, cause C holds everything in there. Even the like Python is based on C. So C is the very base of most of the programming language sitting in the market. Along with that, there are still big chunk of people, those who are using the C sharp, C++ as their software base, or like the software itself, to create a software in the market. So if you're talking about the thick client apps, there are like many apps which are written in the C or C sharp or maybe C++. So C, I would say go for C. But if you want to walk easy, then go for Python. Yeah. But whichever you choose, Python, C, C++, C sharp, but like not C++ and C sharp should be afterwards, but C or between Python. Do remember, cover the DSA. DSA. Doesn't matter which language you're trying to learn, cover the DSA. This is the same thing I tell everyone, those whoever is coming into the hacking or in any IT field nowadays, because IT field is broad, and if you don't know the coding, your progression is gonna be pretty dumb. What is a DSA? It is a data structure and algorithms. Let me show you. DSA, data structure and algorithms, and the best place to practice this kind of stuff is there we have the roadmap. That's new. Pick a language, which is gonna be let's see, Python. Here you have some free resources that you can learn automating the boring stuff. These are the articles. Oh, that's a pretty damn good place. Does it has the C? Pretty bad. They don't have the C. Damn. Pick a language. Go for the Pikachu first. Then function and OO-based concepts. That need to be clear. Then pseudocode. That is also there. Data structure. What is the data structure? Mention other stuff here. Bubble sorting. Merge sort. This is a pretty damn good site. Not gonna lie. Brute forcing. Backtrack. Greedy algorithm. Recursion. Divide and conquer. Like, there is too good stuff. But still, I would say go for the C or the Python. It's up to you. Whatever, or like wherever you feels comfortable. If I'll check into the hub, there should be. Got it. Go for it. Give me a sec. There is another one that I believe is good place to learn. at least the programming. I had it here. There's a hacker rank which you can use to uh, perform your or check your ability or like gain a knowledge by practicing over here for the questions they have put it there, so it can improve you. It has the basics and other stuff too, so it create the all-round kind of environment. One is this, and the other one, if I remember right, it's a lead code. Yeah, this one, lead code. Damn, this is another one. I'm not sure if they hold the C here, but yeah, you can use this too. So these two websites are enough for anyone to learn anything. And once you're good enough, I would say try the Hacker Earth. Yeah, this. So this is where they put the coding challenges. Although these are for the recruitment and students who are seeking job, but I would say it is also a good platform to check your efficiency, ability, how far you have understood something, and how you can tackle the problems in the corporate or some other world that are actually genuine to be put in a place. Cat test.txt, enter some sort of user ID. Cat vuln scanner .sh. What's this? Oh, here is the cron job that's running here. Report date and other stuff. No, it's creating the report. We didn't check this endpoint. I just thought if it is there and it's something out of the ground. I didn't check this one. Okay, we'll see that later. Yeah, no problem, brother. As long as it helps someone, anything is good. So jump in the live anytime you feel like. Clear. Okay. I messed up. Enter. Gonna wait for some time. And once it's back, we will check. Let's also check the vuln scan.sh. It seems to be creating the logs in /report. Sorry, what was the other website besides lead code? It's HackerRank. Let me drop it in the chat. And this one is way afterwards when you have enough confidence that you can solve the corporate problems. Then go for it. The HackerRank for that. I'm pretty sure there are some other websites also which has good challenges there, or maybe corporate are using those, but at least this will set you a base for now. We can now exit from here, clear this, exit from here. Okay, log out. EXIT. Enter. EXIT. Not IT. EXIT. Enter. And with this, we are out. Clear ls. Okay, we are clear now. Let's give the answers. It says what no port software is running on. Oh, we didn't saw this. We just saw that we have got the SSH key, and using that key we can log in over the server because of this, which ruined the box. Where the hell is that? It was mentioned over here. There is an image. Where the hell is it? Yeah, there. There's an embedded image. So when I read this, I thought that there could be. So what are you doing right now? I was solving the box, or would say hacking that box. And now that it's finished, we gonna kill this and gonna start the other one. Close this, and get here. Pass the flag, submit it, give a thumbs up to this guy, and we'll say it was a pretty medium. Not gonna lie. What was the name of the binary meant to check for rootkit? It runs periodically by root. It's what's this? CHK rootkit. Paste, enter, and that doesn't exist. It's update, enter. What's the full path of to the file that runs that doesn't exist? Okay, it's slash temp slash this. Now we are just missing over these two answers. Some another day. But we have finished the box, and that's sufficient for us. Kill this, and we're gonna go all the way up till recon and start putting the stuff that we have used today. First, we have worked around with the LFI. It was there. The command injection. It was something like SQL command injection. SQL. It's not SQLite. It's admin SQLite. If I'm not wrong, it should be. Okay, no, it's not admin. It's a PHP Lite admin. And what's the next thing? We have used the Hydra here. And what else we used? Oh, there was a type juggling. We totally forgot that. TYPE juggling that we can explode to, but we can also check the password in there. So we have two ways to log in over the platform on the port 80. And there is an LFI. What's info.php. I wasn't able to use that successfully, so I'm not gonna say that I know anything about that. chk root kit, enter. What else? Image, data. No, it won't be image data, it should be something else. Let's keep this side. Let's go here. We have used the perp suite, Hydra, and no chisel, no crawl. Their search wasn't there, FUF was there. And lin piece. What else? Impacket, no. We didn't use the SQL, that we didn't require anywhere. Parview, no. We used this. I don't think I remember we have ever used that in this. But crack station we didn't use. Yeah, we did leverage the cron job, so that's gonna be part of it. SSH keygen, no it wasn't. SSH, no. CSV, what else was there? We didn't exploit any sort of password or like brute force any sort of password, but we did brute force over the login page, so that is covered by the Hydra. What else are we missing here? We did use the Python server, but that doesn't count here. Or does it? Who knows? Okay, other than this, yeah, we need to add the CV and stuff for this at least. Copy this. Go all the way up and paste it here. It should, oh sheesh. CVE, cut it, enter, paste, remove, enter. Okay, now here we go. Hydra. Next, the perp suite. Oh no, it's a brute force. Lin piece. FUF is part of it? No, FUF's not. Cron job. Python. Okay. Type juggle. It's not gonna be there. LFI. But we're gonna add this now. Type JGGLING, juggling. CHK rootkit. And PHP Lite admin. What else are we missing here? Brute force. That's already there. Anything from here? Beginner. What the hell is this spelling? Buffer overflow, bleach, bypass. Yes, we can do the bypass also, so that's gonna be there. Bash, yes. Script, exploit the script logic. We kinda did, so it is gonna be there. Let's see if this holds. Script logic compromise, yes. Okay, so that's ready. This can be published whenever there is going to be service for the publish. So we can publish this. And what time it is? It's 1:25. I was expecting to just give 1 hour cause it's already pretty late. And tomorrow I have to take my mom to the doctor. So those who are watching recently or new, consider subscribing and do like the stream and other videos if you like the other content so far. I'm thinking to record some new videos, so if you guys check that, that would be pretty helpful though. When are you gonna live again? I do the live daily, bro. You can check the whole playlist I have created for this specifically. You can find the playlist over here. Here's the playlist. Total 49 lives I have done so far. I do regular. So I will be doing the 50th one tomorrow. On Friday, I won't be doing. On Saturday, I won't be doing. On Sunday, maybe. But the chances are high that I won't be doing. So next would be on Monday. Reason I'm traveling somewhere else. So because of that, I won't be able to do the live stream for at least 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. On Monday, I'll do it again. So that's the procedure right now. And this is gonna continue until I achieve the OSCP. There might be time when I'll start making few of the portion of the videos or the playlist private. But for now, it is public, and you might hear more of a yapping or guidance. I'm not sure what you're gonna consider that. And the other suggestion I would say, hear it on the 2x, so you can like go through these long video pretty faster, cause 50 are not a short number. In some portion you may need to look over what I'm doing, and in some portion you might be able to understand by hearing what I was doing. So with that, we have another box finish. Next, we are going for the solid state CTF. Yeah, I've been watching some of your live stream from list. How did you find it so far? Labs. It's a med. And it's Linux. Over here, it's gonna be today. It's alive. YouTube recommended to me. Oh, okay. So as per YouTube, I'm not doing bad. What's your thought on this? If you have seen my video so far, what's your thoughts? I'm less interested in the YouTube and more in yours. What's your thought on this? I'm just yapping, or you guys are able to grasp something? Hack the box. Put it here. Solid state. Let's go. 85th. Let's start the machine. And yeah, you can also start following me over the Instagram, although I don't post much there. But in future, I'm considering like start posting there too. At least if I won't be posting the videos or like other stuff, but I will be posting the interesting questions there. Either you'll be able to learn something new out of it, or maybe something that you maybe answer, and maybe I'll be able to learn something out of it. So I will be posting the questions there in the stories at least. That's the plan for future. And people are not subscribing. I don't know why. Let's see how many subscribers we have got today. It was 92. Okay, only one. No problem. Slow and easy. And let's copy the URL, paste here. I think you're doing great. I'm learning as you're doing the box. Lovely. What else do I need if one is able to understand what I'm doing? I think I don't do more of an explanation. I just do what I'm doing. I think I should start explaining stuff also, what I am doing. But when I'm into flow, I forget that I need to do explanation also. So let's see. I'll try to make it as my habit. Guided mode. Should we start? Yep. Practice, practice, practice. Okay, this is the IP address. Over here, the IP address exploits. We still need to search on that because we are making the progress in the stuff. So let's get over the machine and we're gonna cd over the, don't tell me it. Okay, it's still working and it's not dead. Cool. cd/media. You just need to keep pushing the live stream and the viewers and subscribers will come. I believe in you. Thanks, brother. At least someone believes me. Not my parents believe me too, though. Hack the box. What else? Machines. Enter mkdir. We are creating the new directory with the name of solid state. This is the command for creating the new directory, and now we will cd for change directory. We'll go to solid state, cleared this. Now we're gonna start the scan in here. So for that we're gonna use what we have mentioned here, and before that let's do this. Add the host in the place, and for that we're gonna use sudo manage hosts. There we go. What are you using for note taking? It looks so great, brother. Many thing looks great. It's just people don't use it. Supposedly, I'm using the Obsidian with the theme of Hack the Box. So that's what's going on. Okay, so we are adding the host over here. We're gonna add the first the IP address, another custom like script that I created by myself for myself. There we go, and we can cancel this, but we need to copy this and put it here. Now we can give the host name here instead of IP and copy this, clear the page and paste it here, press enter. There we go. Now we'll get our ports. So bro, doing good, brother. What about you? How are you doing? Oh, pretty nice. We got, damn, we got two ports open. 2020. That's weird. We have two SSH open. Obsidian with the Hack the Box theme. That's why I was wondering why it didn't look as yours. Haha. Okay, it is still mine. If you have checked it in another video, I'm still solving the boxes. I'm just trying to get the time out of my regular cadence or like regular stuff. It is not easy when you're working and you have to manage the family or housework too. So yes, I'm trying to do my best here. If you guys help me reach a good amount of subscriber at a time, maybe I'll think about if I'll be continuing with a job or not. I may start teaching you guys the full time by keeping the content up to date. Maybe it's all future, so it's all in your hand. Let's see where it can take me. So here's it doesn't look as yours. You can change the appearance over here. I used to use this proper dark and I still like it, but for some reason I don't know why this weird gray, it just keeps stinging in my eyes and it keeps me open for some reason. When I'm looking at this one, it loose down my eyes and I start feeling sleepy. So that's why I'm using this one. And green actually poke into the eyes that, brother, stay awake. Yeah, it looks great, but it's not too great when it's disturbing your sleep. Okay, we got port 80, which is for the, what the hell? It's for the HTTP, the web port. Let's check what other ports are. The 80 is for the HTTP, which is a web application port. Then next port we have 110, 25 and 22. 22 we can check over here, it's for the SSH. And the 25, it's for SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Then we have 110, what's that for? 110 is for the POP, which is a post office protocol, which is also kind of similar to the mails or emails, I would say. Next we have 119, which is, this is new one, News Network Transfer Protocol. Never used it before. As you can see, it is totally empty. So this is new. And the next one is for us, this 4555. We will copy this, and I think I have seen it before somewhere. It's not here though, but if I'll put it here, there we go. Don't think it's a box, is it? No, it's not a box. It's the bug bounty platform private invite something kind of thing. Okay, so you got our ports there, and now we'll be getting our output, like what sort of services it's running. As you can see, it is performing the NSE, which I don't know or remember the full form, but it's checking the service right now. Oh no, it has already scanned the services. I don't remember what this is for, and I don't even want to remember that because it's no use to remember that. Okay, we have James remote admin here, and we have James Bond. I don't know. Okay, you see, it's pretty weird. Over here we only got one port, 22, but over here we got it twice, which I found pretty weird. Well, whatever, we got our output. We have port 80, so let's check that first, then we'll jump to other ports. So first, let's see, we will, damn it, clear this, and I believe we don't have what we need, but we still have what we need. So we'll go with the solid state, and paste it here. And this is a Linux box, so we can remove the stuff from here. ASP, GSP, CGI, we don't need all of these. Over here, we don't need the DLL, EXE, COM, VBAT, PS1. We can check the MD. We don't need these one classes and stuff. And for some reason, I'm feeling that this is still going to be way much than I'm expecting. So we will clean all of these till txt, comma, HTML, CSS, we don't need those. MD can stay there. SSH can stay there. Can we? We don't care. So these are the extension that we're gonna run this scan on. And paste it here. It's FUF. And we have this. We'll jump on to another port while we check on the web app using the browser. We can keep the FUF running in the background and see what it can fetch. Okay, let's copy this. We have everything cleared. Enter. Boom. Okay, we got images, we got assets, we got readme.txt, pretty good. A question, the DS roadmap you told me to begin with, it's only should Python. I should begin with Python or just find another free source web with C instead? I would say try to find the source with C instead. I don't remember the books I used to read for the C's. I really don't remember. I think that's a pretty damn beginner book. Just give me a sec. Which was pretty loose book, I would say. Programming with C, I think that was the one. Book. Let me check. Most popular. And I used that book into the college. It was pretty good book, if I would say. It wasn't that complicated. It was pretty lean to understand. This was a C#. I believe it was this one, this second edition. The DSA will come later on, but first you need to clear your concept how the C program works. I don't able to recall the wall of the or the first page of the book, but I'm pretty sure it was one of these, I guess. I think it was this for some reason. Byron got fired. Preferred by thousands of programmers around the world. Yeah, and I would say another thing that if you're learning like this, try to find a book similar to this. Let's see if it is still there. The one I was trying to do. Or maybe if you ever learned the Python, you can try that too. That's a whole repo that I've created. Yeah, this one. So this Lincoln guy book. That was also pretty good source for the Python. If someone is doing the Python, yeah, this one. Yeah, learning to program in 150 challenge. So something similar to this, if you can find for the C, that would be pretty good. So check for something similar to this. And if you ever wanted to go with the Python, you can try or maybe clone this repo or fork it. It's up to you, because this repo contain almost all the questions that was or that is in this book. So if you want to try and give a shot over the Python, you can check this. And I'm pretty sure there are some like files which already have the solutions, but most of them only has the question. Using the book.csv, do blah blah blah. So this you need to start from the very beginning. The basics, as you can see, it already contained the solution here. You just need to trigger it. So you can clear it and use it by forking it. I'm not sure if there is any book which is pretty similar to that one. Okay, by the time it's running this, let's try to visit the host. And what time it is? Almost 2 hours, and I will be leaving shortly because I need to wake up tomorrow early and have to take my mom to a doctor. So yeah, I need to sleep faster. Pen testing, red team assessment, and what else? Web application assessment, social engineering, the thing I love. Then we have the web admin at very solid state, whatever. Pretty decent page. Copy. Here for the starters. Paste. Okay. We're gonna go from here. We have a website running here. Let's dig on it and see what we can find here. Let's see the man, this series is going to be a problem. View source code. Webalizer got an update, pretty good. We have index, there is a service, there's a HTML, it's getting back to the same page, so it's no use. Let's zoom in a bit, and then we have the CSS main, no use. We have the images from other source. We might be able to check that later on. Quite many stuff. Then from the asset it's calling the JS. And we're gonna here on the page we got the one email, which can possibly be helpful afterwards. So, ouch. Where are we? We only got this. If we'll check the menu, nothing interesting here. If we'll check this, it's still running, and it is gonna take a hefty amount of time because you can see we have the 13 lakhs 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, it will run around 13 lakh of combinations or brute force, and after that 13 lakhs again and 30 lakhs again. How much it is gonna be? Let's go and do the addition calculator. How much is it gonna be? 1 3 2 3 2 7 6 asterisk 3 times enter. So it's gonna perform total 13,69,831 checks. If there won't be any other job in addition over here. Is it your own word list or it's from Hack the Box? It is from the sec list. It is not owned by anyone. You can contribute in the word list if you want. You can Google it. Sec lists. Sorry for the wrong spellings. Here you can find it. Total 24k people has already forked it. If you want, you can also, and it has total 60,000 stars. Pretty damn, or we say pretty good list here. Repo size is 1.8 gigs. Clone time, it takes around 4 minutes if 50 Mbps is your connection speed. And yada yada yada. Contribution.md, see contribution.md. There are like hefty amount of people, those are making the contribution here. Thanks to this. I don't know how many this are there. So with that, let's go all the way up. All the way up. Yeah, we are using this. And the other thing that most of the people don't remember or they have never seen or heard of, if they are solving the Hack the Box challenge, let me give you some good tip or a good Pandora that will open up for you guys. Here is the Hack the Box. What was that? Submission. This. If you will read this submission requirement, over here our bro Ryan has mentioned pretty clean stuff. What your journal requirement is going to be for the submission that you're submitting the file. If you're creating one for the Hack the Box, and you'll get paid for that if you're ever creating. But putting that aside, if you are creating is another stuff. If you'll put it in your perspective as an attacker or as a player, you know already the requirements that are needed to fulfill and you can work on accordingly over the box. So this is going to be permanent. Every history is going to be into the dev null. If it's a bash history, if it's a SQL history, Vim info, or whatever, it's gonna be into dev null. So whenever you log in over the box, you won't see any history related to any sort of user because that is going to be a new shell. every new shell don't contain any sort of past history. So it is thanks to this. Next, over the flag, you can see where the flag is located. So if you got the user or any other way, any other method that can perform the attack, which using which you can read the content of the file over the box. So this is your jackpot. You already have the route or the path known to everyone. And if you're using the Windows, this is the Windows path for the user flag and root flag. Then comes, I'm not sure if it's zoomed enough. Then the documentation, full walkthrough and other stuff. It will be provided by the user, so it's already there. Then there's a credential and other stuff. Description, automations, copy, yada yada. Details of the firewall rules. If Docker, please include the Docker file, config file, container file, source binary code, whatever. The best practices if you are giving it to them, and if you're running the Linux, then you can use Linux Brave check, Linux enum, linpiece to enumerate to confirm that there isn't any unintentional vulnerability or exploit. And over here, make sure web directories are easily found with directory busting tool and common word list like directory list 2.3 medium dot text and small dot txt. So you don't have to use any other word list other than these two. Endpoints will be provided in these two. That's the only directory you need to brute force the endpoints. Do not include anything inappropriate, truly offensive, political, and insulting. I don't know if people want it, it's up to them. Make history mutable, redirect to null so history won't be saved there. Then comes these don't use potential unstable elements that may degrade user experience. So this is also part. And here you can see what the easy box will contain, what the medium box will contain, how hard is the hard, and how insane is the insane. And with that said, that's all these things that you need. Example of step, gain access to the login protected website and gain access to the SMB, FTP, etc. Get shell on the machine, pivot to one user to another. That's it. So you have what you need for the hack the box. Other than that, you don't need anything. It's just people don't like to read stuff that is actually informational. They just read the garbage. Okay, we have got readme.txt, we got license.txt, we have the server status, which is, I don't know what the hell it is. Then we have image assets, and I'm thinking that we will be getting our information in from the readme.txt and license.txt for some reason. That's what I'm feeling. And how much time it is? Let me check. It's 2 p.m. guys. Sorry, 2 a.m. over here. So with that, what do you say? Should I stop? I think I need to stop, cause if I'll be waking up late, who gonna take my mother to the hospital for a checkup? So it will be me. So with that said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And for those who are like new here and want to join in the lives, let me drop something for you. There is a time over here. So this is the time that is currently run here. So I'll be dropping that in the chat. It's a 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. here right now, but I usually start around 9 p.m. Sometimes it's a 7 p.m. No, the current date. So you can like check over the Google around which time zone your time puts the best, and around that time you can join me over the stream. And I believe the best I can suggest you is you can turn on the notification for all of the things. Like if I'll go here and I cannot subscribe my channel, so let's check sec. I have put it over the none, so you can put it over the all. So whenever I'm live, whenever my new video drops, you will get a notification and you'll be able to jump in. So if someone wanna join the fun, it's all in your hand. So with that said, let me come on to the bigger camera. Okay. So like I said, with that said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, have a great rest of your day. If you're in my zone, have a great rest of your night. And new here, subscribe to the channel, like the stream if you're enjoying it. Older one, if you're enjoying, like the stream. Not enjoying, dislike the stream. Drop a comment why you didn't like so I can improve there. Next, enjoy it your fullest and stay healthy. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And with that said, bye bye.